This is an optional video if you need help with question 4. Question 4 says, the French government has tried to reduce their pollution and toxic emissions. However, what happened when the government made these plans? So we're going to look in this paragraph right here, okay, and it actually starts right here where it says, meanwhile, okay? So this part in blue is super important. If you look over this, I'll read it to you. Meanwhile, in France, where a backlash against emissions reduction plans has partially triggered the so-called Yellow Vest movement, large protests by adult French citizens. A less noticed campaign on the opposite side of the political spectrum has also gained momentum in recent months. So a backlash is a key term here, and that means like people pushing back. So try and figure this out. I'll help you with that word backlash. It means people pushing back against something.